Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 29. I am Ananta among Nagas. I am Varuna among water deities. I am Ariyama among the ancestors. And I am Yama among controllers.
Chapter 10, Shloka 29. Anantaschasmi naganam varuno yadasamaham pitrunam argyama chasmi yamasamyamadam aham.
Chapter 10, Shloka 29. Continuing in the tune, the singer divine sings of his own songful glory. Of the Nagas, I am Ananta. Nagas are the many hooded serpents. Of them, 1,000 hooded Shesha Naga forms the bed of Lord Vishnu to recline in his yoga sleep. He means that he is the mightiest and most divine because he is the substratum upon which Vishnu the sustainer and Brahmaji the creator of the multiple world recline and function. Of the water deities, I am Varuna. Varuna is the spirit governing the waters, the third great element. Varuna is conceived of as being half fish and half man. He is the ruler of the oceans and the lord of the waters. Of the Pitris, I am Ariyama. Ariyama is the ruler of the world of the ancestors. Death is one of the experiences in life when the subtle body, the mind, intellect equipment in each one of us leaves its residence in a given physical structure. The subtle body, maintaining a separate egocentric concept in itself, continues its existence and is called the departed soul or ancestor. The departed souls live together in a world of their own called the world of the mains, Pitriloka. Of the controllers, I am Yama. Yama is the lord of death. In life, viewed in its totality, there is as much importance for the principle of death as for the principle of creation. The principle of death is the governing factor which controls and regulates life, prepares a progressive field for creative development elsewhere. Progress without destruction would only be a partial picture. The childhood must die before youth can express itself. Learn more in the next video, in the next shloka. To understand Gita, Join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.